Okay, this is the proper timing of a Hilux. Okay, ito yung tamang timing mark. So dito sa crankshaft, makikita mo yung mark. Ayan, this one and this one align in here. Dito naman sa supply pump, yung timing mark nya ito, yung painted mark, align dito, align here. Painted mark ito, pa-align naman dito. Okay, tapos dito naman sa taas, as you can see, the marking is in here. Ayan, saka ito. So naka-align siya. And ito nga pala yung bago. This is a brand new original timing chain and sprocket. This is original parts with the mark. So ayan ang proper timing ng engine ng Hilux. So as you can see, all are brand new. Okay, so ayan ang proper alignment of timing chain.